Hi and welcome to my very first natural video. So what I am doing is I am spritzing my hair with water because I haven't washed my hair in like 2 weeks and we're getting ready to pre-poo it. So I am prepping it to be pre-pooed. That's just, I think it's warm water that's in there and I'm applying to my whole head. And that's my deep conditioner. It's by Aussie. It's like Aussie deep conditioner reconstructor or something like that. And you see now I am applying it to my hair. And once I am done applying it, I am going to twist it until probably about 6 twists all around. And then I'm going to apply a plastic cap on my bonnet. And then I'm going to let it sit overnight because I am a lazy natural. So sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so I'm fresh out the shower. I wash and detangle my hair in the shower. I use the Dew products, I think it's the first line, not the newer line of shampoo and conditioner. And as you see, I will be using the Mousse Def all over my hair. I really love using the Mousse Def whenever I do wash and goes. FYI, I rarely do wash and goes. I am a very, very lazy natural. Most of the time, I am rocking two-strand twist or a puff. So just sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like more natural hair videos, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment what type of vids you would like to see. Thanks, and see you next time.